child, I have grown up stucking in between these two terms, namely Republic Day and Independence Day, along with their dates respectively. I guess still there are many people who end up confusing in between these two terms, or maybe I am the special kind of my own. But now I clearly can differentiate between 26th January being Republic Day and 15th August being Independence Day. Talking about 26th January, that is the day on which our constitution came into force, or rather say it came into life. Constitution of India is a living document which governs the entire nation. Luckily, India has the longest written constitution in the entire world. It is not a dead document, it's a living document because it is still governing the nation, and this time we will be celebrating the 70th anniversary of our constitution. Talking about our constitution, our for the people, by the people, of the people, which simply means that the Constitution of India has kept us, the general citizens, at the supreme level. And it's only after us that comes the various wings of the government, that is executive, legislative and judiciary. The basic rule in law is ignorance of facts can be acceptable to some extent. However, ignorance of law is not an excuse. How should I put it? In a layman's language, if you commit an act which is punishable under the law of the land, you are bound to face consequences in the form of so-called punishments. You cannot run away from the situation giving this a simple excuse that, hey, I had no knowledge about this law or this particular statute. The Constitution considers that every citizen, now when I say the term every citizen, I mean every citizen, be it a person belonging to a corporate world, or be a person belonging to a government sector, or be a person who had no knowledge about the legal terms at all. Every citizen is impliedly considered to have a knowledge of the law. So it is important for all of us to know about the minimal concepts of law, like our fundamental duties, our fundamental rights, the ongoing acts, the laws, the various provisions. To sum up, a law is a very interesting subject. The law will help those who can help themselves. That is, a law is always on the side of the person who is vigilant about his own rights. This is the reason why today government is taking steps to make law as one of the most compulsory subjects at school levels.